Bore da pawb. Good morning everyone. Croeso I sesiwn newydd Ffit yn 5. Welcome to a new Ffit in 5 session. Mae'n bore dydd Mercher. Dwi mor hapus gyda canlyniad y pêl-droed neitho gan Tîm Cymru. Okay? I'm in a great mood with the Welsh football score last night. Felly, mae sesiwn bore yma wedi cael ei ysbrydoli gyda'r tîm. Okay? I've been inspired by the team a ni'n gwneud cwbl o pethau pêl-droed, ond bydd dim eisiau pêl. Okay, I'm inspired by the team and the results so much. Such a good mood. We're going to do some football style activities, skills, but don't worry, you won't need a ball. It's all Ffit in 5 style. Gwmws fel i wneud o blaen, gweithgareddau heb offer. No equipment will be needed. So cofiwch y rheolau. Fysa bach o lle. Okay, this bottle o dŵr. So you need your drinks bottle. You need a little bit of space. A os ydych chi'n barod, ni'n mynd i dechrau twymo lan. If we're all ready, we're going to start warming up, okay? So we're going to jogo ar y smotyn. Let's start by jogging on the spot, okay? A buwch chi'n gwylio pêl-droed neithiwr. Did you watch the match last night? Cymru di curo gwlad y Czech, okay? We beat the Czech Republic by a 0-0. Okay. Mr. Dechrau codi penlinia now. We're going to start lifting our knees. Fel bod ni'n matcho bach. 5 eiliad to. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Tro ma, ni'n mynd i cico ein cefn yn trad lan. We're going to kick our heels up, okay? Off our knee. Da iawn chi. Cadwch fynd. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. Nôl I jogo ar y smotyn. Back to jogging on the spot. Okay, brech e lan. Arms up. Punches mas. Let's go. Da iawn chi. 10 eiliad. We'll do 10 seconds, okay? Off and in. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. Right. 5 gweithgaredd a 5 activities inspired by the football last night. Rhif 1, trad chwyn, fast feet, inspired by Gareth Bale. Okay, so trad chwyn, rhedeg mae gyflym y gallu ni fel Gareth Bale. Rhif 2, number 2, camu drosodd, step overs, fel Wilson, okay? So ni'n gwneud jogo, step o drosto, jogo, step o drosto, a cadw fynd. Rhif 3, okay? Mestyn breichiau, arm reaches, inspired by Danny Ward, a gol geidwad. Okay, so ni'n bwnsio, a fi'n ni galw, a chi'n mynd mestyn mas i'r dde, neu mestyn mas i'r chwith, okay? So we're going to bounce on the spot, and I'm going to call right or left, and we're going to stretch out really quickly, as far as we can, inspired by the goalkeeper. Rhif 4, number 4, camu i'r ochr, side steps, okay? Inspired by Lawrence. So ni'n mynd I plygu lawr, ar ochr, bwnsio nôl, esgus bod ni'n amddiffyn. Looks like we're defending, we're jockeying, okay? A rhif 5, am y gol, ni'n mynd I neidio lan, a esgus bod ni'n rhoi penni ar y pêl. Jump up, and head of the ball, inspired by, of course, Dan James. Fe sgorodd y gol I Cymru neithiwr. So 5 gweithgaredd. Bydd ni'n just on y to wrth bod ni'n neud nhw. Gyda 5 chwaraewr wedi cael ei ysbrydoli. Inspired by 5 players from last night's game. A yw pawb yn barod. Ni'n dechrau cloc. Ein gyntaf yw trad chwyn Gareth Bale. Gareth Bale's fast feet. Chi'n barod? Off and in, let's go. Mae gyflym y gallech chi. As fast as you can go. Imagine you're running down the side. Running down the wing like Gareth Bale. Trad chwyn. Da iawn chi. Hanner gordd yn barod. Faint mae gyflym gallech chi mynd. How fast can you go? Cofiwch bod y brechu yn symud. Your arms are moving. 5 eiliad ar ôl. Cadwch fynd. Achos brec fyna. Da iawn. Cymwch dŵr mlaen. Good start. 30 eiliad eto. Gwmws yr un peth. Exactly the same thing. Trad chwyn Gareth Bale. Bales fast feet. 3, 2, off and in. Let's go. Okay. Break and symud. Trad and symud yn gyflym. Da iawn chi. Cadwch fynd. Hanner ffordd, just over halfway. Cadwch y traed i fynd. Chi bron o bod na. 5 eiliad. 3, 2, 1. I'm nacio, have a relax. Da iawn chi. Calon yn codi yn syth. Rhif 2, gweithgaredd rhif 2. Creu camu drosto, step overs. So we jogo mwy araf. Drosto. Drosto. Okay? So we're going to spin our legs over. Imagine we're doing a step over. So a couple of bounces. Step over. A couple of bounces. Step over, okay? So leg goes out and round. Mas a gwmpas. Off and in. So jogo, step over. Chi'n cofio pwy. So we're going to step overs yn Team Cymru. Okay? This one, inspired by Wilson. Okay? Wilson yw'r player. Y chwarae sy'n licio ni step overs. Okay? Da iawn chi. So a couple of jogs. Mas, round. Mas, round. Couple of jogs, out and round. Cymrwch break fyna. Neu'r un peth eto, os chi'n moyn cyflymu, if you can speed up, go for it. Okay. Cofiwch cymryd 2 ymlaen, 5 eiliad. 3, 2, 1. Step overs, Harry Wilson, let's go. Da iawn. Jogo, step o drosto. Esgus, bod ni step o dros y pair. Okay? Pretend that we're stepping over the ball. Da iawn chi. Gweithio'n galed. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. A cymrwch break. We're going to have a little break there. Da iawn. Skill nesa. Ymestyn break here. Okay? Fel Danny Ward. Like Danny Ward, somebody won't bouncing on our toes. As then gweud i fel hyn. Chi'n rhaid break yn mas fel hyn. Neu ochr yma. Okay? So fe, chwyth. Fe, chwyth. Okay? So in Welsh, that's right. Fe, chwyth is left. Okay, pawb yn barod. Bwmso. Fe, chwyth. 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 Fe. Fe. Chwyth. Fe. Da iawn. Chwyth. Cofiwch bod ni'n cadw y bounce. Remember we're keeping our bouncing. Fe. Fe. Chwyth. Chwyth. Good. Chwyth. Fe. Da iawn. Chwyth. Fe. 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 Chwyth. A cymrwch break hwnna. Da iawn. Have a little rest. We'll do the same again. Remember we keep that bouncer on our toes. Stretching out to the right or to the left like a goalkeeper would do, like Danny Ward. 3, 2, 1. Off and in. So ni'n dechrau bouncing. We start by bouncing. There. There. Chwyth. There. Chwyth. Good. Chwyth. There. There. Chwyth. Good. Cofiwch bod ni'n cadw speed lan. There. There. Chwyth. Chwyth. Good. There. There. Chwyth. Chwyth. There. A cymrwch break fyna. Take a break. Da iawn. 3 gweithgaredd wedi wneud. Mlaen yn un nesa. Camu i'r ochr. Side steps. Okay? So we dechrau plygu yn isel. We're going to start i'r ochr. Cymryd 2 bounce nôl. Switch. 2 bounce nôl. Cerdded nôl lan. Starting like a squat. Bounce twice. Switch. Bounce twice. Like Lawrence defending. Jockeying the ball. Fel Lawrence. And I'm dipping. Off and in. Fel squat. Bounce nôl. Bounce nôl. Cerdded lan. Squat. Bounce nôl. Bounce nôl. Da iawn. Bounce nôl. Bounce nôl. Cerdded lan. Walk up. Squat. Couple of bounces one way. Couple of bounces the other. Walk back. Squat. Da iawn chi. Squat. Bounce. Bounce. Da iawn. Squat. Bounce. bounce. A Cymru break. We're going to have a little break. Cymru dŵr mlaen. Yr un peth eto. Calon fi yn mynd lan, a lan, a lan. Same thing again. Tri eiliad. Safle squat. Squat position. Bounce nôl. Da iawn. Cerdded lan. Bounce nôl. Beth am? Sefyll fan hyn. A bounce ymlaen. Bounce nôl. Bounce ymlaen. Galed. So bounce up and bounce back. So we're not walking this time. We're keeping that little bounce going. Nice and low to the floor. On our toes. Blaen it trad there, okay? A Cymru break fyna. Da iawn. Un gweithgar yn I fynd. 1 to go. Fel Dan James. Like Dan James. And hwyr. And a game, last one, we need to score a header. I ennill y game, nes i cael sgorio peniad. So ni'n neidio lan 2 trad, esgus bod ni'n peniad y pyr. Mes yn siŵr bod ni'n neidio achel. A nice high jump. Off on ni, so nice and high, a peniad. Achel, peniad, da iawn. Newch siŵr bod chi'n neidio mae achel a gallwch chi. Chi'n cofio, dim ond dyn eitha byr yw Dan James. So i'n cyrraedd y pyr, oedd rhaid y Dan James neidio yn uchel iawn. Dan James isn't too tall. So to reach that header last night, he had to jump really high. Cymru break bach fyna. Un set o peniad I fynd. 1 set of headers to go. Dim blino bore yma, gweithio'n galed. 4 eiliadau. 30 eiliad y gwaith ar ôl. Off a ni. Neidio yn uchel peniad. Nice and high. Header. Cofiwch, defnyddio breichiau I neidio. We use our arms to jump as well. As high as we can go. And we header in the ball to score for Wales. Scorio goal. Bydd yn ennill y game I Gymru. This goal wins the game. 3, 2, 1, peniad ola. A scorio goal. And you've scored. Cymru di ennill, goal I them. Erbyn Gwlad y Czech. Okay, Wales have got it 1-0 against the Czech Republic. Da iawn chi. Cymwch dŵr mlaen. Bwysig ar ôl diwedd y game. Bod ni'n arafu y calon. We cool down after the game. So then we cerdded round. Esgus bod ni'n cerdded round y car. Then we're walking around the pitch. Okay? So blwch bach here, pitch. Your little box is the pitch. And you cerdded y gwmpas I oeri to cool down after the game. Da iawn chi. Wedi gweithio'n gael. Fe calon yn gweud heddi. Calon yn gweud 167, 167 BPM. Gweithio'n galed. 1 lap to. 1 more lap. Cerdded y gwmpas y car. Around the pitch. Cofiwch sy'n diwrnod braf. Chi'n neud y gweithgaredd hyn. Pynhawn ma eto. Mas yr ardd falle. It's such a nice day. I wonder if you can do this one out in the garden again this afternoon. And if you really wanted to use a ball, well, the step overs will work. Headers will work. If you really wanted to use a ball. So mae pêl gyda chi. Chi'n moyn neud y to pynhawn na. Mas yr ardd. Syniad gampus iawn. Reit, ni se ymestyn y gyhyr. We just stretch the muscles. Dachar lan top. Ni wedi bod yn defnyddio y gwddwg am y peniau. We've used our neck muscles for the header. So plygu un ochr. 3, 2, 1. And we're going to bend the other way. We've used a lot of neck muscles, especially for those headers today. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn. Lawr i'r breichiau. Ni defnyddio breichiau I neidio ac I gweithgaredd dan I wod. So ni'n rhoi 1 llaw lan. A dala fyna. 3, 2, 1. Switch over. A stretch along. Use our arms for both jumping and for Danny Ward's goalkeeper practice. 3, 2, 1. 2 llaw mas in front now. Both hands out in front. Mestyn, mestyn, mestyn. Big stretch. 3, 2, 1. Mas i'r ochr. 3, 2, 1. A cofiwch bod eisiau gloff. Remember, we shake off a stretch. Lawr i'r bola. Okay? You plug un ochr. We're going to bend to one side. A dala fyna. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to bend the other way. Da iawn. Chi cofio bod trad yn flat â chael. Feet are flat on the floor. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. Lan yn ni. Lawr y coesau nawr. Dwi'n ddyddio coesau i lot o bethau. Trad chwym. Camu drosto. Okay, we've used our legs for lots of exercises. So ni dala un trad tu ôl. A dala cydbwysedd. Pan ni yn agos I gilydd. Keep your knees nice and close. Dalwch y clust os chi moyn. 3, 2, 1. Cofiwch bod ni'n siglo bant. We shake them off. Newid drosto. Pan ni yn agos at I gilydd. Dala clust a mwy o cydbwysedd. Your ear will give you better balance. 3, 2, 1. A siglo popeth I goffen. Shake everything off, arms and legs to finish. Llongyfarchiadau, chi wedi ennill y gêm o gol I ddim. You won this game by a goal to 0. Diolch am ymuno. Thank you for joining. A bydde ni'n cael sesiwn Ffit yn 5 arall fory. Another session tomorrow. Hanner awr I nawr. Diolch am wyliau. Cofiwch gwasgu'r thumbs up. Remember to press the thumbs up button. Hwyl am y tro.